think I saw a struggling where is he? Is he still there? Is he gone? No, still there, yeah. A struggling. Come on, come here. Yep, there you are. See, there he is. Hey, you. What happened? Oop. Yep, he was struggling. Come on, come up. There you are. See? Come on. Dry yourself up. Dry yourself up. Come on, guys. Dry yourself up. Once you are strong. Oop, come on. No, 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 don't worry. Don't worry. You can stay here. Stay here for a while. Whoa. Going already. Come on. Not yet, not yet. Not strong enough yet. So he can't wait. All he needs to do is just dry it up for a while and not to. Yeah, come on. You can do this. Yep. Come on, Mike, you can do it. Once you're ready, you can fly away, alright? I don't know why he does that. It could be way too cold or trying to dry it up, whatever it is. I'm gonna wait until he is ready to fly. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Come on, are you ready? Once you are ready, you can go. Yeah? Come on, got my finger now. We go higher, come on. Let's go higher, yeah, there you are. Alright, there he goes. That's good. Yep, he went off, that's good. Well, I just saved what you call Dragonfly, yeah. Feeling good actually.